feminine and practical, introducing the Louis Vuitton Marceau Bag for the Spring 2022 collection. This bag is partly inspired by the architecture of the Pochette Metis Bag. The body is compact with plenty of space for all your daily essentials and crafted with an S-lock that represents the house's heritage trunks. The bag comes with a sliding chain which can be removed. The chain drop max is 54 centimeters. The interior is made with a flat pocket and large zipped pocket. There is also an exterior flat pocket for instant essentials. With its stunning gold color, the sliding chain is a visual delight and offers both comfort and versatility. You can wear the bag over your shoulder or as a crossbody, making it an ideal choice for any occasion. This feature adds a touch of effortless style and allows you to create a look that is uniquely your own. But it's not just about looks. This bag is also incredibly functional. With multiple compartments, including an inside flat pocket, an inside large zipped pocket, and an outside flat pocket, you'll have plenty of room to organize your essentials. And the S-lock closure ensures that your valuables stay secure at all times. Let's take a closer look at its features. Color. The timeless black color of this bag is a classic and sophisticated choice that will never go out of style. It's versatile enough to pair with any outfit, making it the perfect accessory for formal and casual occasions. Material. This bag is made with monogram-coated canvas and cowhide leather, which are high-quality materials that are both durable and luxurious. The smooth cowhide leather lining and trim add an extra touch of sophistication. Chain. The sliding chain is one of the unique features of this bag. It's visually stunning in gold and practical, as it can be adjusted to be worn as a shoulder or crossbody style. The leather shoulder pad adds extra comfort for those long days out. Hardware. The gold color hardware perfectly complements the black and brown leather, creating a beautiful contrast. The S-lock closure ensures that your belongings stay safe and secure. Compartments. This bag has multiple compartments, including an inside flat pocket, an inside large zipped pocket, and an outside flat pocket. These compartments provide ample space to arrange essential items such as your wallet, keys, and phone. Chain drop. The sliding, removable chain has a chain drop of 29.0 centimeters and a chain drop max of 54.0 centimeters. This allows you to adjust the bag to your preferred length, making it even more comfortable.